Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing video for you, and it is my Look Incredible standard beauty box. It's £25 and it comes every other month. I have got my deluxe unboxing up already. If you want to have a look at that, I'll pop a card up here, or just have a look through on my past videos. So yeah, £25 a month. You normally get about 5 products every month, which are full size, and they tend to be more towards the high end bracket, and normally a lot of makeup, usually cosmetic items. So we shall get tucked in and have a look and see what we've got. So we have got the card first of all, and it is here. So it is the February edition, and here's a little sneak peek of the products. So what have we got first of all? We've got here, first box is a big thing, so it's quite a big box, and it says it is Colour is Back Special Edition Nudge Oleari Sun Powder. I'm not quite sure what that is. Let's open it up and have a look. So, okay. Right, so that's the box empty here. So that's the box, which is quite funky. And we've got this. So it is a little bag and there's something inside. I've got no idea what this is. So yeah, so there's this bag here, like a little cosmetic bag. It's made of like a mesh. And then we've got, oh, this is a brush. So it's like a small kabuki brush. So it's got like a orange metallic base, yellow bristles, which actually softish, a little bit coarse to be honest, but yeah, nice big brush. And we've got this orange plastic casing. I've got no idea what this is. Can I open it? It's such a struggle with this arm. Ah, there we go. Oh gosh, it's huge. So we've got here, there's a mirror on the bottom, well on the top, the mirror, and there's a huge bronzer. That is massive. Look at that. Absolutely huge. It's really chunky and heavy. Let's see what it says. So it says, hold that there for you guys. So it's the Nudge Oleari Sun Powder Brush and Zip Pouch. RRP is $9.99. So it's Sun Power is a compact earth that gently colours the skin, giving it a homogeneous tanned look. Thanks to the presence of SPF, it protects the skin from harmful sun rays. It is a sophisticated powder with a light texture and easy to blend with the provided kabuki brush and free cosmetic bag. Right then, so it looks, so it's a bronzing product, which is also an SPF, which is really interesting. Let's just have a little look here. That's the shade of it there. And tell you what, let me swatch it with this hand. That's it there, and I'll pop it on here. So it's just trying to see. It's actually, it feels really soft and it gives a gentle colour. So that actually could be quite nice just to give a bit of sort of extra colour to your face. So yeah, I think that's quite a nice thing. I'll definitely give that a go. Good size. It should last for ages. Let's put that there. And then yeah, this doesn't feel very good quality to be honest, but I suppose it's ideal just to stick in if you want a little zip bag for the gym or whatever. It has got a nice little tag on it there though with the brand. Next thing we've got is, what's this? So this is a eyeshadow pencil duo in Wild About by Wild About Beauty. Let's have a look. We'll open this up. So this says it RRPs for £14, which seems quite a lot for a pencil. Oh my gosh, it's really It's a really chunky pencil, not what I was expecting. So this side is, I can't get the lid up. Oh yeah, devil. Oh, I've got this one off. So there's that one, which is a, what sort of shade is that? Let's put that on here. A really, so that looks like a greyish shade. And then on the other side, is it a grey brown? It's in the eye pencil duo. It's a 03 Marjorie. I'm going to try and get there's that one off. And this is the opposite side. And this is, it looks like a darker grey. So there's like a softer grey and then a darker grey. If you can see there. Which, to be fair, are really, really wearable shades. I don't know if it's worth £14. So it says, so Wild About Beauty eyeshadow pencil. Wild About Beauty eyeshadow pencil duo, our multi-purpose vitamin E enriched double-ended eyeshadow and eyeliner pen is the perfect partnership to add both colour and definition to your eyes with ease, making the day-to-night transition simple. This product combines a long-last and highly pigmented eyeliner with a crease-proof cream eyeshadow pencil. The luxuriously smooth and blendable eyeshadow enables you to build up colour intensity, or makes you build up the colour intensity that you desire. So I'm imagining, yeah, the paler grey is the eyeshadow. It's actually much softer and easier to blend out, and this other one, I think, mind you, they both smudge out very easily. You could probably create quite a nice smoky eye with that. Just dropped my card. So yeah, it's fine. I'm not crazy about it, but I don't hate it. Next thing we've got is, we've got two little bottles here. What are these? So we've got these two bottles. Are they both the same? It is micellar cleansing water and so herbal infused micellar cleansing water. I think they're both the same. They'll be handy if you're going away, I suppose. That's them there. So these two, the pack 40 mils. So yeah, each bottle is 40 mils. And the Kiehl's Herbal Infused Micellar Cleansing Water Duo pack, 40 mils each. These RRP is £15. Really? Wow. So they're like £7.50 each. I really find that hard to believe. Anyway, this cleansing water effectively cleanses the skin and removes makeup without rinsing, rubbing or scrubbing. It's powerful yet gentle formula that uses micelle technology to instantly trap and lift away any lingering dirt, impurities and makeup with a saturated cotton pad. In addition to leaving the skin clean and feeling soft, refreshed and renewed, the all-in-one cleanser leaves behind a pleasant herbal aroma. So I mean, that's really, really lovely, but gosh, it's expensive. And I honestly can't smell anything at all. Oh, I wonder if it's sealed and that's why. It's sealed, that's why I can't smell anything. Oh, let's have a whiff. Try and take this off. There we go. Actually, it's quite pleasant. Smells really, really clean. So yeah, I mean, they'd be great to take away. I just think they're really expensive for what they are, but yeah, they're nice to have. Next thing we've got is from Bare Minerals, and it is a Bare Minerals Statement Lip Luxe Shine Lipstick. This feels really heavy, and the price of this is £18. It's in the shade, what's that? NSFW. That seems a bit strange. Anyway. Oh gosh, that's really dark. I'm not going to swatch this because I might give this away. It is like a really deep browny red. I think this would be lovely on a deeper skin tone. I've actually might give this to one of my friends. I've got a good idea who I might give this away to, because it looks quite nice for someone with much darker skin than mine, and it looks too much out my comfort zone, but it feels lovely. It's just a shame. I think lipsticks are always a bit hit or miss in beauty boxes. I was having a chat about this earlier on in some of the comments, and that when you get sent lipsticks, I think there are very few that we can actually wear. I think it's such a gamble putting them into a beauty box. Now, the last thing I've already had a little look at, and it is the Fall Festival palette, and it is from Coastal Scents. Now, I haven't opened this, and let me just get you something else, and I'll show you why in a second. Bear with me. So I've had this beauty box subscription for quite a while now, and so I got this today, and I've had this, the exact same palette already. So as you can see, that's Fall Festivals from Coastal Scent. This is the Fall Festivals by Coastal Scent. I'll read you what it says first of all. So it's a Coastal Scents palette. It's valued at £15. But here it says you will receive either one of the following Coastal Scent palettes. So you either get the Revealed Smoky Eyeshadow palette or the Coastal Scent Fall Festival palette. Or the Coastal Scent Winterberry palette. Right, I didn't realise there were 3. I've actually already had the Winterberry off them as well. It came the month after I got this one. So what I've done, I'll show you what the palette is first of all. It's actually really nice, to be fair. I haven't really used it much, but that's the palette, and they are quite big pans, and they are nice shades, quite shimmery. Are there any mattes, or are they all shimmers? I think there's a couple of mattes, but they're mostly shimmers. You can pop the pans out because they're magnetic, which makes it great, so you can swap them about if you've got other like interchangeable what are they called, pans, if you want to sort of swap the pans about. So I have contacted Look Incredible, and just to say that I'm not very happy, and that obviously I've received this off them already previously, and I just don't think that they should be sending out palettes, repeat palettes, to the subscribers when we've already had them in the past. So I've asked if they will replace it with one of the other palettes, and they said yes. But here's the catch, and I'm a bit peed off about this. So I have to send this palette back to them first of all and pay for it to be sent back, probably tracked, and then once they've got it, they will then in my next box send me a different palette. So that's great, they're willing to swap it over. So as long as it's not been swatched or opened or anything, which I haven't, I've not even taken it out of the box because I knew I had it already. So here's the thing, I have to post it back to them first before they'll even send me anything. I kind of feel they should just send me out another palette, and I'll send this back to them. I've asked for them to refund me the postage, which they are happy to do. But then it says, because it's at my standard box, they said they'll send it to me in April, which is just ridiculous, having to wait 2 months for something I've already paid for. I've asked if they can send it in my March deluxe box, because obviously I'm signed to the deluxe and to the standard box, and they have said that yes, they will do that. So I am going to get this one parcelled up and send it back to them, get it tracked and sent it back, and then I'm just going to request that I get sent through the Revealed Smoky Eyeshadow palette, because I don't have that one and I have the other 2. Does that make sense? So this is the 3rd box in 2 months that I've had problems with from Look Incredible with the contents. With this one, to be fair, it matches the description, but it's a repeat product with the same company. So that's a bit poor, but the other 2 were just things that were missing. So yeah, I do love the boxes, so I am keeping my subscription on. I'm not cancelling it or anything, but I'm just wanting to let you guys know that there are a few issues. So if you are going to be subscribing to these, and it's just something to be aware of, or if you've had this already, just to sort of look out and make sure you're not getting any duplicate items, and if you are, just contact their customer services and then they should hopefully try and sort it out for you. You can definitely see a difference across different companies with how they deal with situations and things which aren't right, because I've had other boxes where I've had a slight problem and they've been amazing and they've sent something straight out and apologised and just said just keep the other item and either give it away or, you know, do with it what you want. I'm really happy sending this back, but I had to ask for them to pay for the postage for it to be returned, which was a bit bad. Anywho, enough of that. That is my box for February, the February standard box. So yeah, just to recap what we've got, we got the Coastal Scent Fall palette, we got the Bare Mineral lipstick, which I can't use, just too dark, the Micellar Waters, the double-ended eye pencil, and the bronzer. So a bit of a mixed month really, I think. I mean, the bronzer seems quite good. The eyeshadow palette, if I hadn't have had it, would be great, but I'm looking forward to getting my new one. The pencil I can use, but I'm not that bothered by it. Lipstick's a bit dark, and the Micellar Water's a bit meh. So yeah, a bit of a mishmash month really, I think, for me. However, I'll pop the links down below. As I say, you can get it from lookincredible.co.uk, and normally I'm pretty happy with these boxes. It's usually one of my favourite boxes. It's just these couple of little issues which are just starting to bother me. So there we are. I hope you've enjoyed my unboxing. I just seem to have been a little bit negative on a couple of these, and I am sorry. I don't mean to be. I am really happy with the boxes overall. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, then please give me a thumbs up, and do leave me a comment down below. I know that some of you get this box, or some of you sort of wait for me to unbox it, because there aren't really that many of us that unbox the standard box. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. I think for £25 I think it's a really good value box, and I'm always gutted it's only every 2 months, because I would love this one to be every month, but which is probably why I signed up for the deluxe. But that's it. So take care, and I'll see you all again very soon. Got still quite a few unboxings still to go, playing catch up from my holidays. So take care, see you all soon. Bye for now.